Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are breaking down two heavyweights in the project management world, Airtable and Asana. Both of these platforms are super popular for team collaboration and task management. But the question is, which one is right for you? Whether you are managing big projects, collaborating with teams, or just keeping track of your daily to-dos, choosing the right tool is the key. So let's begin. Now, let's start with Airtable. Now, Airtable is a cloud-based platform that combines elements of a spreadsheet with a database functionalities. It allows users to organize and manage data in a flexible way, providing features like customizable views, collaboration tools, and integration options with other apps. If you are a fan of our Deep Laughs channel, you know that we've covered Airtable in the past. We have so many video tutorials for you to check out, because we are here to help you solve your problems quickly. If you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button to get notifications on our daily content. Now, going back to Airtable, all you have to do is go to their website. That's going to be www.airtable.com. Click the sign up for free option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. From there, you would notice that Airtable's interface is intuitive and easy to use, even for those without a background in database management. On the bottom left corner, you can see the Create button, wherein you can start building database from scratch. You can rename this one, and of course, you can be creative and tweak the settings to your preferences. Now here, you can simply fit and tailor your Airtable dashboard and use cases with customizable fields like grid, view, calendar view, Kanban, timeline list, and Gantt view. Alright? It supports real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on the same base simultaneously. Not only that, in terms of the integration, you see that Airtable integrates with numerous third-party apps like Adobe, Facebook, Google Drive, Jira, Miro, Outlook, Slack, and a lot more. All right. It's very versatile in terms of the range of applications from project management to content planning and CRM. Now, I'm not going to go deep around Airtable because we have covered this platform so many times, and I'm going to switch over and focus on Asana. Now, Asana is a project management and collaboration tool designed to help teams organize, track, and manage their work. It allows users to create tasks, set deadlines, and assign responsibilities, and of course, track progress in a visual and organized manner. Now, if you ask me, it's a very easy thing to create an account. All you have to do is click the Get Started option, and from here, you can continue working with your Google account, or you have your business or personal email address. You can use that as well. After that, you would notice that Asana has a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy for users to get started with minimal training, right? You can start with a project, or you can start with a new portfolio, depending on your preference. Now, all you have to do is put in your portfolio name and go to and of course, you can have a multiple view like list, timeline, calendar, and workload. I'm going to use the default one. And once I've done that, go to your portfolio. And as you can see, it has a built-in collaboration tools like comment, customize. You can customize this to add more fields here, like adding team, status, overdue, progress, connected goal, and priority. All right. You can, of course, have the option for collaboration. You can have the file attachments, and of course, put some members and other collaborators within the specific project that you're handling with. Now, in terms of integrations, Asana integrates with a variety of other tools, including the most popular tools like Microsoft Teams, Adobe Creative Cloud, Jira, Tableau, Red Marker, Slack, Google Workspace, Microsoft Office 365, and Trello, enhancing its versatility. All right. Now, the question is, which one is the better platform for you. Now, let me tell you that Airtable is best if you need a flexible and customizable tool to manage data with task management as a secondary feature. Because for one, again, Airtable combines the functionality of a spreadsheet like Google Sheets with database features. It's ideal for tracking databases and customizing workflows for various project types. You can create various views like grids, calendars, Kanban boards, and galleries. On the other hand, Asana is best for a straightforward project and task management with a focus on team collaboration and ease of use. Now, let's look at the prices for both Airtable and Asana. If you go to the pricing, you would notice that it's free for individuals or very small teams just getting started with Airtable, and you have all these perks and advantages. If you wanted to scale up for the team package, which is going to be $20, that's going to be billed monthly per seat and a month, and you will have all these. All right. And if you wanted to scale up to business, that's going to be $45. And if you wanted to have the enterprise, it'll take you to the custom pricing wherein you need to have a scheduled demo with the sales professionals. Now, if we switch over to the Asana and hover to the pricing, you see, like Airtable, it's free for individuals and small teams looking to manage their tasks. For starters, it has like a $10.99 for growing teams that need to track their projects, progress, and hit deadlines. Now, for advanced, you have like a $24.99 for companies that need to manage a portfolio of work and goals across departments. So you might want to check all of these into in considerations before you choose the right platform for you. But like I mentioned, the choice depends on whether you need more of a task management tool like Asana or a flexible database project management hybrid Airtable. And again, Airtable is best if you need a flexible and customizable tool data to manage with task management as secondary feature, while Asana is a best straightforward project and task management with a focus on team collaboration and ease of use because it has so many task-based automation, like for example recurring tasks, assigning dependencies, but less flexible than Airtable's automation. And again, both platforms offer free versions with limited features, but Asana has more focus on integrating with a task and project-oriented tools. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.